Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So I am still here. I know I've been kind of MIA. Summertime is really busy for me, and I don't get to paint as much as I'd like to. I was able to upload a couple videos last couple weeks. Yeah, so I apologize for that, but I'm so thankful that you've all stuck with me and you are continuing to support me. I appreciate it. So I'm really excited to share this news with you. I have become a color art affiliate and I'm going to be promoting some of their products. And I already use them. Excuse me. I already use them and they're awesome products. So I am more than happy to promote them because I believe in them. I don't promote anything else. The only other thing that I kind of have a coupon code for is the KS Resin, which is awesome. I use that all the time. So when I spoke with Leslie, the representative of Color Art, she kind of wanted me to focus a little bit more on the resin aspect of my channel. So if you're unaware, I do a ton of resin work. I would say relatively about 60% of my sales are from my resin art. I have many videos way back on some different techniques that I do with resin or different things that I've done, but I don't do it all that often anymore with the videos, but I think I'm gonna like a little bit more focus on that. So what I'm thinking is maybe doing one video a week of resin and one video of acrylic pouring. What do you think? And maybe schedule it for like Tuesdays and Thursdays or Monday, Wednesday. I don't know. We'll figure that out. I'm thinking maybe mid-October. My last show is the 9th, and then I have a little vacation with my hubby. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. And so anyway, so hit the notification bell so you know when I upload the new content and you can watch. Let me know what you think. If you are new to resin and you haven't even started yet, this is great. Come with me and I'll show you what I know. I've been doing it for about 4 years now, and in my area, it's really popular. Well, at least mine is. I haven't seen it too much um, yet in my area, other than me. Maybe I met one other artist who was doing it, maybe two, but not in this small area that I am in New Jersey. So I just want to show you real quick. I make little ornaments every year, Christmas ornaments. And this year I decided so I make a big wood cutout of New Jersey with the resin and sand and shells. I think I showed it to you in one video. So I decided to make little baby ornaments. I made 24 of these going into my show last weekend and sold out. So I want to make sure I have enough to stock my store with and also to have for the show that I have in October on the 9th. So I'm making 36 of them, and they don't take as much time as a bigger piece, but I still like to paint them first. And then I'll add the sand and the shells, and then I'll add the resin. So it's a process, but I can sell this at a reasonable price and, not have to put too much time into it. And yeah, people like them. So it kind of like lets everybody own a little piece of art because not everybody has hundreds of dollars to own a big piece of artwork. So with the resin art, you can keep your price point a little bit lower and keep it on a smaller scale. This is the other ornament I'm doing. These are the Hamsa Hands or Hand of Fatima. I think if you hang it this way, it wards off like evil spirits. If you hang it that way, it brings in positive energy more for like the yogi. This is how I kind of interpret it. But I'll just drill a hole there and they come out so cute. And yeah, I do like big ones of these too. So anyway, that's what I'm going to focus on my resin days on the channel. We'll do a different project every week. I hope you guys come along with me and embark on this journey with me. I'm excited about it. If you're unfamiliar with color art, go check them out. Because like I said, they have beautiful pigments for painting. You can use them in the bloom technique. You can use them in your regular pours. They're gorgeous. The shine you get from them is like no other pigment that I've used anyway. And yeah, so I'm really excited about this, guys. I hope you're all doing really well out there. I hope everybody had an awesome summer and is ready for fall and the holiday season. And let's do this. And I'm really excited about it. So one last thing before I go. Can you tell I'm excited about it? One last thing before I go is I wanted to show you, I don't, if you follow me on Instagram or Pinterest or anything like that, I always post my mosaics. I think I have a little clip on YouTube of a mosaic surfboard, but I was commissioned to do a mosaic surfboard, and it's black, white, gray, and silver, and it is gorgeous. I just wanted to show it to you. The customer hasn't even seen it yet. I'm delivering it this week, but I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see it, and then I'll post a really nice outdoor video of it and picture of it at the end, because when you see it in the natural light, it's just stunning. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see it. Here it is. Isn't she pretty? I did do a different black gray one before, and that's the one she had seen, but she wanted one with more gray and silver, and I think it just came out gorgeous. All right, guys, have a great one, and I'll see you all real soon. Bye-bye.